Hello humble bakers! At dahil vacation season na, let's bake a very easy recipe na pwedeng pang breakfast or pang snacks. Promise, sobrang dali lang nitong gawin kahit newbie ka pa sa baking. Tara, mag-bakecation na tayo. Mix softened butter and sugar, add in eggs, mashed banana, and add in sifted mixture of flour and baking powder. Isa nga sa mga favorite kong gamitin ay Queen All-Purpose Flour at baking powder. Bukod sa premium ang quality, affordable, available pa sa mga nearest supermarket kaya naman hindi ka na mahirapang bumili. Queen All-Purpose Flour is ideal for baking breads, cakes, muffin, pancake batter, and other desserts. Pwede rin pang cover or coat ng meat for frying. Queen Baking Powder is pure and safe double-acting baking powder. It's proven to make your butter and doughs rise during the mixing and baking stage. Kaya sigurado kang maalsa at malambot ang baked goods. Then add natin yung nutmeg, pinch of cinnamon, salt, banana flavoring, and vanilla extract. Mix to combine and do not overmix. Divide in 3 loaf pan, approximately 340 grams to 350 grams per pan. For toppings, you can also add in chopped walnuts and chocolate chips. Bake at preheated oven at 155 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until inserted cake tester or toothpick comes out clean. Let it rest at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes before slice. O diba, ang bilis lang nitong i-prep. Take a break at mag-bake using Queen All-Purpose Flour and Queen Baking Powder. Sarap!